Hi everyone, happy Saturday. I'm excited to share with you this box from your creative studio. This is their January box. I will put the link and information to their site down below. So this is their monthly subscription boxes, and they sent this to me to do a review on it. I've done reviews on 2 of their boxes already, and I love their products. And this is the card it came with. So you can see that it's always beautifully packaged. So I'm going to take this out of the box and we'll see what we have in store for January. All right, so you can always save the wrapping to add to your projects. It's a really beautiful paper. So let's see what the theme is for this one. So let me separate these real quick. And so usually in these cute envelopes, they will either have a stamp or a washi tape. So let me set those aside. Let's set these ones aside first. All right. So this one looks like it's a washi tape. And it looks like the theme this time looks like flowers. Really pretty. And you can always reuse these envelopes in your projects. So look how beautiful that is. It's really pretty. Just look at that. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Okay, so that is the washi tape. Okay, and then these are the stamps. So they always send a cling stamp, and that is the image right there. I love the script with the flower. That's really pretty. Oh wow, it's a nice size stamp set. And it's a red rubber stamp, so really beautiful. Again, I love the script with the flowers. That's going to be really pretty. Love that. Okay, and then there's this one. It looks like there are individual flowers in here. Oh yeah, they're individual. Right, so let's see what we got here. It's really pretty. Look at that. It's really beautiful. So you can make a really pretty stamp collage paper with this, or just stamp it on an envelope would be really beautiful as well. So those are the stamps that come in this set. Okay, so I'm going to set those aside. And then, let's see, it looks like this one. Let's see what this one is. Oh, cute. It says Pursuit of Happiness. They look like little tickets. Oh, nice. Oh, this is really pretty. It's like wax paper. Oh, these are beautiful. And it comes in this really cute little book. So you can do some collaging with these. And they're all different. That's really nice. I like this. And I love how it's in a book. Really pretty. That's cute. I like that. Okay, so there's that one. And then we have this. So what's in this box? It looks like a matchbox. Oh, these are some tag or labels. Really pretty. So, oh, get all different kinds. in different sizes, looks like, and shapes. These are pretty. I wonder. Oh, I think these might be stickers. Let's see. Oh yeah, they are. Oh, that's awesome. They're stickers. That's great. So they'd be easy to just add to your journal pages when you want to label, you know, your pages. So that's great. And you get a ton, as you can see, in this box. It's cute. They always have a cute little matchbox. And they put such really fun things in there. All right, so here's this one. Let's see, it looks like what are these? It's 60 pieces, and it just says Cottage Garden. Okay, so they're like little small pieces of different design papers, and they're very thin, which is nice. So it's great for, again, for collaging, because their style is very vintage, and that's what I love, because, you know, when I create my journal books, I love to create that type of style. I love the vintage style in my journals. So this, again, will be great for layering. You can even layer this on a tag, or, you know, a scrapbook page would be great too. So pretty. And so you get all sorts of different floral papers in different sizes. Really beautiful. Okay, I love that. Okay, and then this one here looks like some vellum sheets. And it has a perforated line, so it looks like you can, there's 2 in 1 strip. And then you get all sorts of different kinds. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, I love that. Keep calm and smile. That's cute. So it's like a little book. Oh, these are really pretty. I love the floral in this month's box. Really beautiful. So if you're into, you know, if you love gardening, or you just, you know, flowers in general, this is a really pretty one. This is really pretty. Look, oh, then you got some ones that have more color in it. That's beautiful. Love this. Look at that. So yeah, so you have it in, you know, color, or you just in the black and white. It's really pretty. So that's beautiful. All right, so then this one, it's like it's the paper. In the other boxes that I've received, so it looks like they always include paper. Let's see what this one is. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at that. Oh, actually, you know what these are? I think these are stickers. Oh, let me see. I think these are stickers. Can't really peel it with my nails, but yeah, I believe these are stickers. Look how beautiful that is. So it looks like you get a couple different designs. I'm really loving the font in this set. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, that's really pretty. So this would be, if you want to make a cover, let's say with some chipboard, this would be so easy to just adhere to the chipboard, and you got yourself a cover. Makes it a lot easier when it has adhesive in the back. So I love that. Really pretty. Okay, so there's that. And then this one looks like these are like stickers. And I love it because you could feel it. It feels like there's texture on these stickers. So yeah, these are clear stickers. How pretty is that? different ones, really beautiful. All right, so in this package, they're Deco Stickers, and you get all these different kinds. Really pretty. So just take some of it out. Wow, these are beautiful. So it looks like you get several of each design. Looks like you get 2 of each design. Look at that purple, that's pretty. Oh, these are pretty. These would be so pretty on an envelope. I love this. So you can see you get all different kinds, and the colors are really beautiful. Love that. You can see you get a ton here. Look at these. It's like gorgeous. That's really pretty. I love these. Okay. So there's that. Push that to the side there. All right, so this one, this is like cards, like journal cards. Yeah, these are like, oh, paper ephemera. That's what it says. So it looks like you get several of different designs, and they're very thick. That's really nice. You can, maybe do some journaling or add a photo to this. This would be nice photo mats. That's really pretty. Or you can make a pretty tag with this. Would be great as well. And they're double-sided, which is nice. That one. And again, they're very thick. Look at that. That's pretty. All right. So those are paper ephemera. And then here we have, looks like we have some more paper. Where's this one? Oh yeah, this is more paper ephemera. And look how beautiful that is. It's very thin paper, but I love it. And it looks like you get several of each design. That's beautiful. So it looks like you get 4. 4 maybe? Yeah, 4. So there's this design right here. And then we have this one. That's so pretty. I love the distressing on these. There's that. So I'm trying to miss any. And then there's this design. That's pretty. I love the simplicity of this one. And then there's that. These are beautiful. Again, I love how thin these are, the papers. Really pretty. So that's the paper ephemera. All right, and then the last one, looks like these are tickets. So let me see, let me cut into this. All right. Oh, I love that. It's like a little book. Cute bird. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little box. Okay, that's cute packaging. I love that. And then it has some twine here. And then you get all these tickets. Oh, this one's clear. Nice. Oh, cute. This could be for Easter. So I'm thinking these might be stickers. Let me see. Might be stickers. I think they are. It's hard to do it with these nails. But I believe because of the backing, you can tell. Yeah, I believe these are stickers. Wow, these are cute. I love these. Look at the birds. So looks like you get several. Oh, this is cute for Easter. Look at the bunny and the little baby chicks. How cute. Oh, and then there's some more bunnies. These are cute. I love how it's like a book. It's some cute bunnies and some babies and birds. So it looks like you get 2 of each design. And so it looks like it has an Easter theme to this. And you get, as you can see, what I love about, you know, their subscription boxes, you get a ton of each thing, which is great. So you can create so many projects with their subscription boxes. Cute. And I think it repeats itself. But yeah, these are really cute adhesive tickets. Look at the bunnies. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Yeah, so check them out. They are, again, Your Creative Studio. Oh, this could be a bookmark. And these are their subscription boxes. This is January subscription box. And you can get so many beautiful, gorgeous projects or products in their box and create so many fun projects. And I'll put, again, their link down below. And thanks, everyone, for watching. Bye.